لقد تم اختراقك. أنا هنا للمساعدة.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome. This is Andrew from Anomali. With 2020 now behind us, we'd like to take the opportunity to thank our loyal customers and partners for their support during the year. Furthermore, in our quest to ensure that all of our customers are successful in their threat intelligence programs, we will be creating these short videos to show any new features in our platform as we continue to innovate and evolve our tool sets. Chances are that by now, you would have seen the Sunburst backdoor dashboard that was created by our ATR team. But along with these pre-built dashboards, our customers have the ability to create their very own dashboards using all of the intelligence inside of THREATSTREAM. Let us now take a look at one such dashboard which focuses on threat intelligence related to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Here we can see a few tiles, some of them related to trends, some of them related to indicators by type, but all of these have a specific relation to something within the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This is because we use a specific filter in the search filters to use the data available to us to create this dashboard. As a very quick refresher, I'm going to show you how to get to the search filters that you create to create these dashboards. So when you click into the observables page, this is where you will actually create your saved searches to be the building blocks for your dashboards. In my platform, I have multiple saved searches that do multiple things for me, but this one specifically that I've created is going to be focusing on the country of Saudi Arabia. This is actually a very basic search filter, but it's a very good starting point. How do we get to this? So you can use actually the GUI to click through and get the results that you want. So you can see an example here is I'm filtering by country to look for anything related to Saudi Arabia in the country schema. So this returns a couple of results for me, but you can see that I'm looking at a very limited scope. So what I'll do is when I click on the advanced tab, I have the active indicators that are focused in Saudi, and then I have a date, created date here. So I'm looking for basically to remove that and create a general view of everything that I want to look at. So all active and that are in Saudi. I will then save the search and I'll give it a name. In this case, what I've already done is I've already created the saved search and it will be in my managed dashboard. So you'll see that there. Once I click on it, it will bring me back to that specific filter. Another very specific component that I would like to add to my dashboard would be any malware hashes that have been uploaded or seen targeting the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in some way, shape or form. How I achieve this is by looking at the different tags associated to these hashes. So you can see that I'm changing the search filter by saying that the tag should contain the word Saudi space Arabia, or it should contain the tag Saudi dash Arabia. Again, very simple filtering, but you can achieve a lot with these type of filters if you are familiar with some of the tags, if you have seen some of the tags that are associated with some of the files that are flagged inside of THREATSTREAM. So I'm going to go a little bit more granular and I'm basically going to add another tag scraper to look for underscore Saudi Arabia as well. So once I run a search, you'll see I get some results. So as with the other tiles, I am now saving the search so that I can use it as a filter in my KSA intelligence dashboard a bit later. So now I'm ready to start building my dashboards. So I'm going to add a dashboard, give it a name, KSA Intel dashboard. I can make it either private to myself only or make it visible to everyone in my organization. So I'll click it on save and I have a blank canvas. So here is where I start adding widgets and this is where I find the save searches. So I'll click on those and you'll see that if I click on a filter or if I filter the save searches for KSA, these are all the KSA filters I have created. You'll see I have obviously skipped a few steps, but I have created a couple of more and you'll be able to see the filters on them. So this one is for malware domains and you see that's the filter right there for malware domains. I'm going to create a tile for the last 90 days and I'm going to say that this is the number of active malware domains witnessed in ThreatStream for the last 90 days. So what I'll do is I'll just select that basic one, create a background color, make it nice and red, 90 days, and I will then populate the widget name. So the widget name which I will add would be the number of active malware domains in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I'll just double check everything. I'll just make sure that I have a clear and concise view to say that this is a 90-day period. I'll make sure everything's okay there, and I'll click on save, and it's going to populate that. So you can see it's returned 233 active malware domains in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for the last 90 days. I will now go ahead and create the dashboards or the widgets for all the other saved searches that I have created. And there we have it, a completed dashboard, or maybe not. Maybe you can think of any other widgets that you would like to add, maybe some other search filters that you would like to apply. Essentially, the world is yours. All the information, all the data that's in ThreatStream is available and can be graphically represented in a dashboard. Thank you very much for taking a look at our little video, and if you have any questions regarding the dashboards or any functionality with ThreatStream or any other products, reach out to your CSM and we would happily help.